Two tasks, one strategy. Make the things easy in your spoken text and retail lecture. Follow these things and make sure you work on them and get your good score in your spoken text, retail lecture. You don't need to use two templates or so many things different. Use one thing and get your score. Hi everyone, welcome to English Wise. This is Mehak. So start with the session. The very first strategy is listen actively. In both the tasks, what you are supposed to do is you have to make sure you are focusing on understanding thing. You always have to make sure in both the tasks you are understanding the main ideas, what can be the introduction topic, conclusion and every single thing. So you have to make sure first is listen actively in both the tasks and understand the things. Understand will help you to get more content in both the tasks. Second, take notes. You will get a notepad in your exam, a booklet will be there, marker will be there. So you have to make sure that you take down the notes. So as you will be understanding, you have to make sure you make bullet points, you make a table using horizontal or vertical lines and write your data in there. Don't write so much of the lengthy sentences. Short phrases are more than enough, but single keyword is not acceptable in both the tasks. So you have to make sure that you write phrases in both the tasks that will actually help you to get your score. Another thing, organize your thoughts. So you have to make sure that you always review your notes. If you don't, then definitely while speaking you will fumble, you will hesitate. So your notes should be organized properly. You know what to speak, what to write properly. So main topic should be written at the first and then the supporting details. So organization in this is very important. Organize your thoughts properly, your ideas, whatsoever you written. Don't write in so much of the running hands that you can't understand your handwriting later on. So make sure you make table, bullet points or these kinds of things in your exam. Next, draft your response. Now what you have to do in your spoken text, you have to write the similar thing in 50 to 70 words, and retail lecture you have to speak that thing clearly and confidently. If you are doing this thing, but you have to make sure in spoken text there is no spelling error, and in retail lecture there is no hesitation. So if you are following this, full marks to both of them. Another, review and edit. Never ever just, you can't review in retail lecture, but you can review in your summarized written text. Whatsoever you have written, you have to make sure that you check spellings, grammar, phrases, everything is up to date and you will definitely get your desired score. So you have to make sure that you follow these things and get your score. Don't go for keywords, go for phrases please. Important thing, when you listen, don't write. When you write, don't listen. Yes, whenever you are noting down your points or whenever you are listening, don't do two things simultaneously. If you will be doing this, then score will definitely go low. So you have to make sure 5 seconds of listening, 5 seconds of writing. Listening, writing. It won't happen like you're missing the main things or something like that. It's just the thing that you have to make sure that you always get the proper content. If the content is not meaningful, definitely you are going to lose the points. So content has to be meaningful in your spoken text, even in your retail lecture. Listen for 5 seconds and then write for 5 seconds in both the tasks. Now we are going to see the example, what kind of phrases you have to find out in both the tasks. So if you see on my screen, I have written a spoken text. I wanted to show you like what kind of phrases. Let's say steel tracks and track pulling apart. That's a phrase. Hot summer days, frigid winter nights. These are the phrases. If you see here, temperature and jam from snowfall. Switch points, gates of hell, gas pad heaters. These are the phrases you are supposed to write. Running an electric current. This can be the phrase. An open flame can keep you. This can be the phrase. So you have to make sure that you are writing phrases. If you are writing only snowfall, no score will be there. That's completely incorrect. If you are writing tracks only, completely incorrect. If you are writing rail yard only, completely incorrect. Single keywords won't be acceptable in your exam. So you have to make sure that you always use phrases instead of the keywords. That will definitely help you to get your desired score. So guys, make sure that you follow these things. You have to listen and understand actively. You have to take notes, organize your thoughts, and what you have to do is spoken text 50 to 70 words, read a lecture, you have to speak clearly and confidently, review your thing in spoken text and listen for 5 seconds, write for 5 seconds, follow the phrases. You can use the same single template in both the tasks. I'll show you the template as well. So this is the template that you can use in your both your retail lecture and your spoken text. Follow these steps and work hard, improve and get your desired score in one go. Thank you so much everyone. We'll see you in the next video.